New tonight, infants are thriving in Flint. New data new data that researchers at Michigan and Michigan State have released show that Flint's infant mortality rate has dropped. As Mid-MichiganNow's Kyle Macon reports, those administering the RX Kids program believe they're driving that change.
Moving to Flint, finding out about RX Kids, and also just the cost of living here made having a family a viable option.
With a big smile, Heather Schmalz introduces us to her first child, Jane. Before having a kid, she and her husband were living in Los Angeles with the dream of starting a family.
There are so many expenses that come with motherhood and parenthood, and the healthcare was probably the biggest new expense. Adding her to my health insurance was almost $600 a month.
Heather thought she couldn't afford having a child until she came across RX Kids in Flint that would give a no-strings-attached one-time payment of $1,500 to pregnant moms. Parents also receive $500 each month until the baby is 1.
It's an incredibly personal decision to have a family, but the RX Kids program makes it just a little bit easier, a little bit less stressful.
According to RX Kids, Heather joins more than 1,300 other mothers who got help from the program. It was launched in January of 2024 and continues to grow across the state. Founder Dr. Hanna says the program has made an impact.
More babies in Flint were dying than babies in other parts of the state within that first month of life. And after RX Kids comes in, what we are seeing is a 50% drop in that neonatal mortality rate.
RX Kids is funded both privately and from the state. Right now, the state is trying to pass the budget, and in the past, this program has been scrutinized by House Republicans. They claim with no guardrails up, people can use the money on non-essential items or harmful substances. But Dr. Hanna feels confident that's not the case.
Babies like Jane deserve the strongest start, and this program is helping make that happen.
Right now, RX Kids is waiting for the state budget to see if they can continue running the program at the same capacity. Dr. Hanna is also looking to take RX Kids nationwide. In Flint, I'm Kyle Macon.